Place your cameras, Okay, students, hello, good evening. Let's start, please. Don't forget your cameras. Everybody, please. It's important also because we have 2 new students in our class today. So students, you have to introduce yourselves. Okay, before to start our class. Let's meet let me check your names, please. They are new in our class today and in this new level. Let me check. Okay, here we have Ramirez Arancibia. Can you listen to me? Siles Fabiana. Fabiana, please. Maybe. Fabiana Siles. Oh, here we have. Okay, students, can you listen to me? It's okay. ¿Se escucha, chicos? ¿Está bien?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you. Please, students, now, as I said, before to start, let me check how many students I have. 24. But it's time. Okay, we have to start. Please, students, as I told you, we have new students, so we have to introduce ourselves, okay? I'm going to start. What you have to say. First thing, your full name, please. And also you have to say something that you love to do in your free time, okay? Let me start, please. Hello, class. My name is Jocelyn Torres. I'm a teacher, and I'm so happy to be here with all of you in this new level. Something that I love to do in my free time, and I really enjoy that, is teach. That's why I'm here. So, girls, Veronica and Fabiana, welcome, please, to the class. Let's start now, students, with you, okay? Ahora, por favor, Veronica and Fabi. Can you listen to me, girls? ¿Me escuchan, chicas? Hello, hello. ¿Me escuchan? Verónica, Fabiana. Yes or not? Tell me, please. And also your cameras, students, not only 1 or 2 students, everybody. You have to turn on your cameras. It's important, please. But I don't know what happened with girls. I don't know if they are listening. Please, girls. Chicas, los demás me escuchan, ¿verdad? Sí, chicas, ¿me escuchan? Sí.
Yes, miss.
Bien, antes de comenzar, quiero que todos conozcan a sus nuevas compañeras, pero no sé si me escuchan. Por favor, Fabianita, please, and Verónica. ¿Me escuchan, chicas, por ahí? Para que podamos empezar. Hello, hello. No? Verónica? No? What happened? Hola, hola. De repente hay alguna interferencia o algo. Me avisan, por favor, chicos. No, chicas, ¿no me escuchan? Fabiana. Verónica. No. Me avisan, por favor. Chicas, mientras tanto, los demás, sus camaritas. Todos. I need your participation, please. You know that. Ok, no, creo que no me escuchan las chicas o no sé qué pasó con Fabiana y Verónica. Hello, hello. A ver, vamos a ver. Fabianita, please. Can you listen to me? No? Verónica? No? Okay, let's start with the list students. Okay, and then we are going to start with our presentations again. Okay, de repente no sé, están tienen alguna interferencia o algo así, chicos, y para que no volvamos a repetir, esperaremos, de repente están con eso. Okay, let's pay attention, please, students, to the list now. Aranibar Claudia.
Present, Miss.
Your cameras, students, don't forget. Aranibar Andrea.
Present, Miss.
Atawichi Claudia. Claudia. Claudia Atawichi. Bellot Kevin.
Present, Miss.
Belso Daniel.
Present, Miss.
Cáceres Dayana.
Present, Miss.
Choque Callata Cristian.
Present, Miss.
Your cameras, students, please. Don't turn off. Guzmán Galia.
Present, Miss.
Ignacio Célida.
Present, Miss.
Ledesma Alejandra.
Present, Miss.
Loaiza Leonardo.
Present, Miss.
Magne Pamela.
Present, Miss.
Mejía Wendy.
Present, Miss.
Mena Shirley. Shirley
Present, Miss.
Mena.
Present, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Mendoza Nadiesia.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Ochoa Wara.
Present, Miss.
Paca Andy.
Present, Miss.
Pinaya Maite. Maite. Pita Ariana. Quispe Jocelyn. Quispe Jocelyn.
Present, Miss.
Ramos Sheila.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Ramos Jocelyn. Sorry.
Present, Miss. Present,
Okay.
Miss.
Okay, thank you. It's a little bit confused, girls. I'm sorry. Because I have the same name and it's like next to the same. So, Torres Diana.
Present, Miss.
Ventura Natalie.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Verastegui Iván. Iván. Verastegui Lilian.
Present, Miss.
Okay. And we have at the end Ramirez Verónica. Ramirez Verónica. Hello. And we have finally Siles Fabiana. Fabiana, please. No, right? They are not here. All right, give me 1 minute, please, students, okay? Okay, students, I'm sorry. Now, please. Can you listen to me? It's okay. ¿Me escuchan? ¿Está todo bien? ¿Sí? Yes. Hello, hello. Students, please. Tell me, tell me.
¿Sí se escucha, Miss?
Ya, me avisan, por favor, chicos, si es que se corta o algo como siempre, ustedes saben, más por el clima, que a veces nos pasa, me avisan, por favor, para que me cambie directamente a los megas, porque creo que eso nos salva. Okay, students, now, as you know, we are on unit number 8. Yesterday we start, so now we have to continue. Please. Okay, exercise, we did, right? As you remember, exercise 1, 2, and 3. Now, here we have 2 questions, and we have to talk about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Please, before to answer. Hello, hello. ¿Se me escucha, cierto? Tengo esa incertidumbre, chicos, de que no se me está escuchando. Okay, talking about nouns, the question is, what is a noun, right? As you know, a noun is a person, an object, a place, right? Or also a thing. So in that case, we have here, as you can see in the picture, we have many fruits, vegetables, and also drinks, right? Now, we have to know what is a count noun and what is an uncount noun. So that's why here we have these 2 questions. Please tell me, students, can we count broccoli? Please, hello, hello, students. Can we count broccoli? Pues ¿será que podemos contar el brócoli?
No, we can't.
No, we can't.
No, right? Yes, because if you can see in the picture, maybe in Spanish, yes, we can count like 1 broccoli, 2 broccolis, right? But in English, it's a little bit different. We have to memorize which are countable and which are uncountable, okay? So in that case, to answer to this question, can we count broccoli? No, we can't, because broccoli is considered an uncountable noun. Entonces, muchos de los alimentos, chicos, son considerados, bueno, está dividido, ¿no? Tanto en contables e incontables. Entonces, uno de los ejemplos que les doy, en el caso del brócoli, es incontable. So broccoli is uncountable. And also we have many examples. For example, flour, right? La harina, right, is also uncountable because we can say 1 flour, 2 flour, imagine. And also the same with oatmeal, for example. Hablando de la avena, talking about oatmeal, it's like a little bit difficult count, right? 1 by 1. So that's why they are considered uncountable. And now we have another question. Can we count tomatoes? Yes or not? Imagine tomatoes. Look at the pictures if you want. Here we have. Can we count tomatoes?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. For example, look at the picture. How many tomatoes do we have?
4.
4, right? Yes, excellent. It's easy. In that case, yes, we can. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes. What about apples? Can we count apples?
3
Yes, we
apples.
Yes, we can. So that's why it's countable, right? 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, right? Okay, talking about strawberries, for example, how many strawberries do we have here?
6. There are 7 strawberries.
Yeah, very good. Yes, that's why we can count. So we have here some examples, okay, students, because if we, for example, search on internet, we have a big list that you have to memorize, countable nouns and also uncountables. And here we have some examples, okay, because it's not necessary to know all the list, maybe the most important, okay? Please don't confuse. I know, for example, talking about broccoli. Miss, but we can. Yes, in Spanish we can. No, en español siempre estamos acostumbrados. Sí, podemos contar. Agarrando un ramito, ¿cierto? It's different. That's why we have to learn. Okay, please. And here I'm giving you some examples. Okay. I'm going to write on our English notes some list of countable nouns and uncountables, okay? Maybe the most important I'm going to write after the class, please. Now, please, let's continue with grammar reference. Let's go to page 139, students, please. Let's have a look, grammar reference. Unit 8, okay? Here we have some examples of count and uncount nouns, please. Okay. Everybody's here. Can we continue? Let's read. There are countable nouns. This can be singular or plural. Okay, let's have a look at examples. We can say a book. Yes, we can count the books, right? A book, 2 books, 3 books, right? We can. That's why it's countable. And example, a book, 2 books. Talking about egg, for example. An egg, we can, yes. And we can say an egg, and also 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 6 eggs, for example, right? So that's why here we have some rules that you have to learn, please, students. There are countable nouns. This can be singular or plural, yes, right? As you can see the examples. Now, there are uncountable nouns. For example, bread is considered too as flour and also broccoli, right? Or oatmeal. They are considered uncountables, and also rice, because imagine the rice, right? Imagínense el arroz, chicos. Contar uno por uno. Kind of difficult, right? But yes, you can maybe think, but Miss, in Spanish, yes, en español, de repente podemos contar, ¿no? Pero imagínate contar uno por uno. That's why they are considered uncountable nouns. Okay, and also students in English, we have that kind of rules. Some nouns are both. Okay, yes, we know that we have to learn count nouns and also uncountable nouns. And also we have to learn that sometimes there are both. It could be countable and also uncountable. Let's have a look at example. For example, we'd like 3 ice creams, please. Okay, talking about ice cream. Okay, here we have the example. We'd like 3, right? We can count 1, 2, 3. 3 ice cream, please. And look at the next example. Do you like ice cream? In that case, talking about ice cream, imagine a lot, right? In that question, it's uncountable. And in the first sentence, as you can see, is countable. So depend of the noun. ¿Ok? Entonces, chicos, si bien hay la regla de que tenemos estos sustantivos contables y los no incontables, también en el inglés hay algunos que son ambos, ¿no? Puede ser que en una, o depende de cómo yo lo esté manejando, va a ser contable o incontable, como en este caso, ¿ok? Y voy a poner una listita en English Notes para que puedan memorizar algunos de los más comunes, ¿ok? Please. Any question here, maybe? Any question? No? Chicos, ¿me escuchan? Hola. Hello,
Sí,
hello.
Miss,
Sí,
escucha.
Ok,
Sí, Miss,
chicos,
se lo
que
escucha.
me están escribiendo y me están diciendo que se escucha entrecortado. Por eso es que les pido, si es que ese rato me escuchan, avísenme, por favor, ¿ok? A veces yo sé que falla mi señal, pero muchas veces también de repente ustedes, ¿no? A veces cuando se trasladan a otro lugar o algo, a veces tiende a fallar, ¿ok? Entonces me avisan, por favor, chicos. Thank you, students. So let's go back to the lesson now. We have to continue. Okay, now, please, let's continue with the next page. Page 63. Who's a busy eater is the question that we have, right? Can you remember what does busy eater mean? I told you yesterday. What does a fussy eater
Quisquilloso de la
mean?
comida.
Excellent, yes. You have to remember in a special, if you are in a restaurant, maybe on your houses, right? In especial, the kids who, for example, prefers only pizza or maybe hamburgers, and they don't like fruits or vegetables, right? And they prefer to eat like Coke or drink Coke or also pizza, like things like that. That's it, the meaning of please eater, please don't forget. Now we have to learn more about count and uncount nouns. And also let's remember about quantifiers. Here we have some of them, some, any, and also a lot of quantifiers, right? Now, please, exercise 1, let's continue. Duncan and Nick are students. Listen to their conversation, please. Here we have 3 questions. Let's listen first, and then you are going to tell me the answers, okay? Please, Wendy? Wendy,
Sí,
please.
Miss.
Could you
Sí,
read
Miss.
these 3 questions before to start with the taste script?
Ya, Miss.
Yes. Read, please, these 3 questions.
Miss, ¿cuál tengo que hacer?
Only read. Solamente léemelo esas 3 preguntitas.
Ya, Miss.
Please, Wendy.
¿Solo las preguntas?
The first question is, yes, only the questions. Because we have
Le escucho
to
un poco
listen
entrecortado, Miss.
and then.
No lo entiendo.
Hola, chicos, ¿me escuchan? ¿Me escuchan entrecortado? ¿Me avisan? Por favor. ¿Qué tal? ¿Me escuchan mejor?
Sí, Miss.
Yeah. Please. Now, Kevin, could you read these 3 questions before to start with the taste script? Only read.
Okay, Miss. Was the fussy actor? What didn't
Continue.
Duncan like when he was a kid? What did he like? 3. Where do they go to eat? No, where
Okay.
do they go to eat?
Okay, where do they go to eat, right? Okay, please, students, now pay attention because here you are going to list and then you have to tell me the answers. Let's start.
Miss, ¿nos puedes repetir? Estaba entrecortado.
Tape script.
Hola, hola.
¿Nos
¿Me
puedes
escucha
repetir?
mejor?
Sí, ¿nos puedes repetir,
Hello,
Miss?
hello.
Se me escuchó entrecortado.
Okay, okay. Please, we are on exercise 1. Duncan and Nick are students. Listen to their conversation. Please look at the picture. Okay, imagine the conversation between Duncan and Nick. Okay, they are students. Please answers. Okay, that's why here we have 3 questions. The first question is, who is the busy eater? What didn't Duncan like when he was a kid? What did he like? And finally, where did they go to eat? Okay, we have here these questions. Please now let's listen because then you have to tell me the answers. It's okay now? ¿Se escucha mejor?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's start.
To 8.1. Starter cream. Tomatoes. Chips.
I was a child.
Again.
Some tomatoes. Sorry.
Listen, please.
Onions. Tomatoes. Eggs. Tape script 8.2. Who's a fussy eater?
Oh, good. We have some tomatoes. Sorry, Nick. I don't like them. Come on, Duncan. Tomatoes are good for you. I didn't like a lot of things when I was a kid. Ah, you were a fussy eater. What didn't you like? I didn't like any green vegetables. Did you like any vegetables at all? Only potatoes. I loved chips. What about fruit? Did you like fruit? I liked some fruit, but not all. I didn't like bananas. I liked fruit juice. I drank a lot of apple juice. And now you drink beer and wine. Yeah, and coffee. But I didn't like coffee or tea when I was a kid. So what were your favourite foods? I liked ice cream, chocolate, crisps, biscuits, especially chocolate biscuits. I liked all the usual things kids like. All the unhealthy things. I like pasta with tomato sauce. Oh, I love that. Tomato sauce? To Romano's. Romano's, a great idea. It's my favourite Italian restaurant.
Okay, students, please. Let's listen again. Pay attention because you have to tell me the answers. Remember the questions, okay? Who is the boss eater? What did Duncan like when he was a kid? What did he like? Where did they go to eat? Please, let's start again.
Eggs. Tape script 8.2. Who's a fussy eater?
Oh, good. We have some tomatoes. Sorry, Nick. I don't like them. Come on, Duncan. Tomatoes are good for you. I didn't like them much when I was a child, but I love them now. I didn't like a lot of things when I was a kid. Ah, you were a fussy eater. What didn't you like? I didn't like any green vegetables. Did you like any vegetables at all? Only potatoes. I loved chips. What about fruit? Did you like fruit? I liked some fruit, but not all. I didn't like bananas. I liked fruit juice. I drank a lot of apple juice. And now you drink beer and wine. Yeah, and coffee. But I didn't like coffee or tea when I was a kid. So what were your favourite foods? I liked ice cream, chocolate, crisps, biscuits, especially chocolate biscuits. I liked all the usual things kids like. All the unhealthy things. I like pasta too. Pasta with tomato sauce. Oh, I love that. Tomato sauce? But you don't like tomatoes. Tomato sauce is different. Hey, let's not eat in tonight. Let's go out to Romano's. Romano's, a great idea. It's my favourite Italian restaurant.
Okay, students, please, are you ready? Please, I need your answers now. Are you ready or not yet? 1 minute, please. Okay, think of your answers, and then we are going to check together. Okay, please, I think that we can start. Please tell me, the first question is, who's the fuss eater? Please, again, question 1. Who's the fuss eater? Come on, come on.
The fussy eater is Duncan.
It's Duncan, excellent. Okay, very good, students. Yes, Duncan is the fuss eater. The next question, please. What? Remember the conversation. What didn't Duncan like when he was a kid? Negative answer, right? Past tense. Come on, please. Volunteers?
He didn't like green vegetables and bananas.
Come on. We have 1 minute left. Okay, excellent. Yes, he didn't like green vegetables in special, right? And